In this video, we will be reviewing the Weck Hem-o-lok Endoscopic Ligating Clip Remover and the process of removing the Weck Hem-o-lok Polymer Ligation clips from a vessel. Hem-o-lok Endoscopic Ligating Clip Removers are designed as removal devices for Hem-o-lok Polymer Ligation clips. The removers are not designed for compatibility with any other type of ligating clip. Teleflex strongly recommends having a Hem-o-lok Endoscopic Ligating Clip Remover readily available during all endoscopic surgeries involving the use of Hem-o-lok Polymer Ligation clips. Before using Hem-o-lok Endoscopic Ligating Clip Removers, closely examine the instrument for any bent, broken, cracked, or worn parts. Always check the alignment of the remover jaws before use. Alignment of the remover jaw is critical for safe removal of the clip. Step 1. The clip must be approached from the hinge side, not the locking mechanism side. Approach the clip on the vessel, and using the turn knob, rotate the jaws of the remover so the jaws are directly over and in line with the legs of the clip. The hinge must rest at the back of the remover jaws to ensure disengagement of the clip legs. Step 2. Once the hinge is properly positioned, apply steady pressure to the remover handles until a slight click is felt. This indicates the clip legs have disengaged. Step 3. Opening the remover handles will allow the clip to open on the vessel. Visually confirm the clip has opened sufficiently and the clip hook is clear of tissue to allow removal. Endoscopic forceps should be used to remove the clip from the ligation site. Ensure the clip remains open, grasp the clip at the hinge and withdraw the clip up the cannula, maintaining grasping force on the clip. Thank you for watching. For more information, please consult the product instructions for use or contact your local representative.